today I'm going to be doing another unboxing. And this is something that I've talked about on my videos, and I am so excited to share this with you. It was something that was not originally on my wish list, but I ended up changing my wish list. So I guess you can say that this item here is something that I did want. For a while I was just confused on what size I wanted and if I wanted a camera bag or a flat bag. So without further ado, let me go ahead and show you what I got. But before I start, if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. I do have more videos coming, and I do videos on luxury goods and other things. So if you can please subscribe, I would so greatly appreciate it. So here we go, you guys. Okay, as you can see here, I did buy it at Neiman Marcus, and it's a little small bag. And you guys, I think this bag is, it wasn't even the color that I wanted to begin with, but when I saw this color a few times here and there, I decided, nope, that is the one that I want. So you guys, it's a Gucci, as you can see. Let me go ahead and open this. And this is a original unboxing, you guys. I have not opened this bag at all. I just got it yesterday. So let me go ahead and show you. It comes in a dust bag. Oh, so it comes all packaged like this. You guys, this is such a cute bag. Oh my goodness. Look at that beauty. I love the antique hardware on this bag. I just think it just does so much for this bag. If it was just a plain shiny gold one, I don't know if I would be attracted to it as much. I just love the hardware on here. And I know there's been a lot of people who don't like the heart on here, but you know what? I actually really like it. I just think it makes it look so sweet. And plus, I'm going to be wearing the bag mainly like this anyways, not turned the other way. I love how they package this bag. Let me go ahead and take this off. This is so cute, you guys. It's so cute. Like I said, I didn't know if I wanted the nude pink or the black or even the white, to tell you the truth. I know there's a green. I'm not into the green, so I know I didn't want that. I think the green one eventually went on sale. It was such a good price. It was like 500 something at Saks, but it's not something that I wanted, so I definitely passed on it. So look at the inside here, how they, how do I take this off? How they did everything so neat. Obviously this was not a display. I wanted to make sure that I did not get the display because everyone touches it. So you guys, this is actually my second Gucci bag in my collection right now. I used to own two. I gave one to my daughter and I sold the other one. It was like a disco Soho. It was a patent leather in the nude pink. I did sell that one. I just wasn't as crazy about it, and then I gave my daughter a messenger bag, and I do have a Gucci card holder. I did a video on that. I think I got that for Valentine's, so the card holder is going to go perfect in here. It is a pink color, nude pink, I think is what they call it. So they packed it up pretty nicely. I guess this is the care booklet. And this bag actually runs $8.90 American dollars. And I have this here. Guys, it is so cute. I am so excited about this bag. Let me go ahead and show you a mod shot of this bag, okay? That is adorable. You know what, it actually looks cute with my dress. I have this dress and it's got lips all over it. It is so pretty with this dress. This is probably what I'm going to wear and run around with today. I know this fits my iPhone X in here, so I'm definitely going to use that. I'm going to put 2 lipsticks in there, and then I'll put my key in there, my key fob. So let's pretend I'll put 2 more lipsticks in there, so there's 4. Let's pretend my key fob, my lipstick, and my I got my phone in there. That is such a cute bag, you guys. I am so excited with this piece. Sorry that I look so mellow today. I just got up and it's early in the morning, and I don't know, I'm kind of like in this weird mood, but I can't explain it. But I am very excited about this bag, and I am very thankful that I have it. I mean, look at this piece, you guys. Let's just look at it for a little bit. So pretty. It's so pretty. Now, what I like about this bag also is that the chain is removable and I can use it as a clutch, which I love. And a lot of the YouTubers says that this bag can be used as a belt bag. So let me go ahead and try it. I don't know if it's gonna fit me right now because I know I'm a tiny woman, but let me see here. Okay, now here it is as a belt bag. I don't know if I like that at all, but I guess if I have the option, I know I can use it just like that. So this is what it looks like on me, you guys. So that's what it looks like on me, and as a belt bag, this bag, and at least I have the option to do that if I decide I do want to use it as a belt bag. And I love this bag because this part here, which attaches to the bag, you can also remove it, which you can attach your key to it, or you can attach your chain to it to make it into a belt bag. So it's pretty versatile, and I love the fact, like I said, that you could remove the chain. So you guys, this was just a small short video. I think the name of this color is hibiscus, is what my understanding is. I'm not as crazy about it on the big bag. I do like it in, so this is a super mini. I do like it in the, so if there's a super mini, is there a mini and then a small? I'm not really sure, but I think there is a mini, and I do like the one that's the next size up as well. And you guys have a wonderful day, and I am so excited to use this beauty, and you guys have a safe day.